Mike, I seriously need help with one grammar point. The word did is confusing me again.
Okay, tell me what's happening. What exactly feels difficult?
I mix up did with was and were all the time, and I just guess.
Good news. You don't need to guess anymore. Today, we'll make it completely clear with simple logic.
Please do, because every time I speak, I feel nervous about it.
No stress. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly which one to choose and why.
All right, test me. Ask me something in the past.
Okay, how would you ask if I was busy yesterday?
Easy. Did you busy yesterday?
Stop right there. That's the classic mistake.
Really? It sounds okay in my head.
I know, but it's not natural English. We never say, did you busy?
But did is past tense, so why can't I use it?
Because busy isn't an action, it's a description.
Oh, so that's the problem.
Exactly. Here's the first big rule. Did is for actions.
Actions like run, eat, watch, call?
Yes, real verbs, things you do.
So if I say, did you eat breakfast? That's correct.
Perfect, because eat is an action.
But busy is just describing a person.
Right, it's an adjective like happy, tired, or angry.
So did and adjectives don't work together.
They are not friends at all. Keep them separate.
Okay, I'll remember that. Did equals action.
Exactly. And here's another important rule. Did changes the verb structure.
What do you mean?
When we use did in a question, the main verb goes back to its base form.
So we say, did you go, not did you went.
Correct. Did already shows the past, so the verb stays simple.
That actually makes sense.
Think of did as carrying the past tense for you.
Let me try. Did you watch the movie?
Perfect. Now answer it.
Yes, I did.
Exactly. Short and natural.
And if it's negative, I say, no, I didn't.
Yes, and didn't works the same way.
Meaning, I say, I didn't eat, not I didn't ate.
Right. Always the base verb after did or didn't.
This already feels clearer.
Good. Now let's talk about time words.
Like yesterday and last night?
Exactly. When we use did, we usually talk about a finished time in the past.
So I can say, did you work yesterday?
Perfect example.
And I shouldn't say last yesterday, right?
Correct. Just yesterday by itself.
What about 2 days ago?
That's great too. For example, did you call me 2 days ago?
Nice. Okay, I feel confident with actions now.
Great, because now we switch to descriptions.
Ah, yes, the scary part, was and were.
Don't worry, this is actually simple.
Tell me the rule.
We use was and were with descriptions, feelings, places, states.
So things like tired, happy, at home?
Exactly.
How do I choose between was and were?
Use was for I, he, she, it.
So I was tired.
Perfect.
He was late.
Correct again.
And she was at work.
Yes. Now for plural subjects, use were.
Like we were happy.
Exactly.
They were at school.
Perfect.
What about you? That one always confuses me.
Great question. We always say you were, even for one person.
So never you was.
Never. Always you were.
So the correct question is, were you busy yesterday?
Yes, that's the correct structure.
Now I see the difference.
Good. Now let's make negative sentences.
Okay, how do I say it?
Was not becomes wasn't.
I wasn't ready.
Perfect.
And were not becomes weren't.
Exactly.
We weren't late.
Great pronunciation too.
So I should never say I didn't busy.
No, that's incorrect. It must be I wasn't busy.
I love how logical this feels now.
That's because English grammar often follows patterns.
But what if I mix them like, did you was tired?
That's a big no. Never mix did with was or were.
Why not?
Because they both show past tense and you only need one.
So it's either action with did or description with was or were.
Exactly. Choose one path.
Let's compare.
Okay, topic, food.
Action, did you eat lunch?
Nice. Now description.
Were you hungry?
Perfect contrast.
Okay, topic, weekend.
Go ahead.
Did you go out last night?
Great. Now description.
Were you tired?
Excellent, you're getting it.
It's so much clearer when I focus on the word after the subject.
Yes, if it's a verb, use did. If it's an adjective or place, use was or were.
Let's try a short conversation.
Okay, Emma, how was your weekend?
It was busy. I was at my cousin's house.
Nice. What did you do there?
We watched movies and played games.
Did you cook anything?
Yes, we did. We made pasta.
Was it good?
It was delicious, but I was very full after.
Were you tired when you got home?
Yes, I was exhausted.
See, you used everything correctly without thinking too much.
Wow, I really did.
That's the goal, to speak naturally.
Okay, let's summarize clearly.
Rule 1. Use did for actions in the past.
Structure, did plus subject plus base verb.
Example, did you finish?
Structure, didn't plus subject plus base verb.
Example, I didn't call.
Rule 3, use was or were for descriptions.
Was for I, he, she, it.
Were for you, we, they.
Example, were you happy?
And final golden rule, never mix did with was or were.
They don't belong in the same sentence.
Exactly. Keep actions and descriptions separate. I feel so much more confident now.
That's what we love to hear.
All right, listeners, now it's your turn.
Write one sentence with did and one with was or were.
Practice out loud too. That's how it becomes natural.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Thanks for listening to Clarity English Podcast.
Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.